Hi, I'm Cameron from Ultimate Floor Care, and in this video we're going to show you how to adjust the height of the handle on the Pallmann Cobra 09 belt sander. So it's a benefit to having the Cobra 09 rather than having the Cobra Classic belt sander. So at the back here we can do all of the adjustments to the handle. We have a numbers 1 to 5 on here. At the moment this handle is in the highest it will go, so it's on number 5, so wherever this handle here is what location it is. As well as that, we need to adjust the raising and lowering mechanism for the for the drum, which can be found here. You'll see numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There's a pin in here which will locate into the number of your choosing. So say I want to adjust the handle down. We want to loosen this handle here. We want to take the pressure off the drum. Slide this up. Take the pin out. And then at the back here is a little locating pin. I'm just going to pull that out and then we can raise and lower it down. So here we're in location 2. We'll have to put the tensioner into location 2. So this can be a bit fiddly, but we just want to pull up the handle, put that into position. Slide that down. Last thing you want to do is tighten this up. So now we've pulled the handle down on the Cobra 09 belt sander. So the reason that they've made this height adjustable is that the handle that you're standing behind a belt sander all day needs to be the right working height for you. So really you want to have this part of the belt sander around about waist height, just so you're not putting too much strain on your back and you're not having it too high so it's going to be pulling. So you want all the force really to be coming from this part of your body. What they also do is a belt where you can clip yourself with a carabiner hook on here. So you're just taking the force off of your shoulders and your top of your body, and you want to be using this part, all your muscles here in this part of your body. So this is absolute perfect height for me.